I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the wattle stitch. This is a really simple crochet stitch. You need to know how to chain, skip stitches, single crochet, and double crochet. It will be really easy if you're already familiar with crocheting into chain one spaces, but if not, I'll show you how to do that today. I love this stitch for baby blankets, any kind of blanket, scarves. It will really work well for anything, and it's only a 1-row repeat pattern, so let's get started. Start by chaining any multiple of 3. I have 27 here. Starting in the 3rd chain from hook, so 1, 2, 3, you're going to work a single crochet. So insert your hook into that 3rd chain from hook and work your single crochet. And then you're going to chain 1, and into that same chain that you just worked with a single crochet, you're going to work a double crochet. After you're finished with that double crochet, you're going to skip 2 chains, so 1, 2, and in that 3rd chain, you're going to repeat what we just did. So work a single crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into that same chain. So now we're just repeating that pattern. So we're going to skip 2 chains, and in that 3rd chain, work a single crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same chain. Then you're going to repeat our pattern, which is skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch, work a single crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into that same chain. So we're going to repeat that pattern all the way down the chain, and I will skip ahead to the end to show you how to end this row and turn. When you have 3 chains remaining, you're going to skip 2 chains, and then insert your hook into that last chain and work a single crochet, and chain 1, and turn. And that is row 1. Moving on to row 2, you're going to skip the first single crochet and double crochet, and into that chain 1 space, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into that same chain 1 space. So if you've never worked in chain spaces before, you're just inserting your hook into that chain 1 space that you made in the row previously when we chained 1 in between the single crochet and the double crochet instead of a stitch like normal. So into that chain 1 space, you're working your single crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same chain 1 space. And that's the pattern that we are repeating throughout this entire row. So insert your hook into that next chain 1 space, work a single crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into that same chain 1 space. And if you need help finding the chain 1 space, just look to skip that single crochet and the double crochet, and then that will land you into the next chain 1 space. So into that chain 1 space, work a single crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet into that same chain 1 space. So skip the next single crochet and double crochet, insert your hook into the next chain 1 space, work a single crochet, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into that next chain 1 space. Working into the next chain 1 space, work your single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into that same chain 1 space. When you reach the last chain 1 space, just do what we've been doing, working your single crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into that chain 1 space. And then to end the row, you're going to work a single crochet into the turning chain in the row below, and then chain 1 and turn. For row 3 and every subsequent row, we're just repeating row 2. So we're going to find our first chain 1 space and repeating row 2, single crochet into that chain 1 space, chain 1, and then work a double crochet and repeat that all the way down your row. And that's all you need to know for the wattle stitch. You can repeat this row 2 as many times as you'd like until your project reaches your desired length. Let me know in the comments what stitches you'd like to learn next, give this a like if it helped you, and subscribe for more stitch tutorials every week.